uh, to the PB industries. As all of you know, that steel plays a very vital role. Approximately 80% of the raw material is steel in PB industries. And I'm dealing with PB since 2003. If I remember correctly, uh, I supplied first steel consignment to PB to Kirin. That time Mr. Rao was there. I think Mr. Sudhir might be knowing him. Uh, so my association with PB was for a very long period. Although I don't consider myself as an expert in PB, but I can briefly touch upon how steel is so important. So to say, a steel fabrication. If you see the PB industry, it's nothing but a steel fabrication shop. You fabricate the components and you fit it. What is the material for fabrication? Obviously, it is steel. Because steel is the only item which is readily available, which can be taken in any grade, any form, and things like that. So, steel has been found to be the best and the most suitable material for the PB engine. I will be giving you a presentation which is not in detail. Maybe, as I told you, that it will be giving you a flavor about the role of steel. Steel fabrication, as you know, is the backbone of modern construction. And as you know, PB is part of steel. So it enables rapid execution. Time is essence in case of PB industries. It is growing day by day because there is a very good demand by industrial and infrastructure. Uh, PB, I need not say what is PB. Everybody knows about it. What is the need for the PB? The most important part is the timelines. If a construction of RCC and steel is taking 1 year time, the PB structure of the same site would take a month or two. Plus, there is a cost optimization also by using all the recent technique like BIM, CNC machine, and other things. So it will further add to the cost reduction part. This is a simple construction time comparison. RCC takes 12 months. It's a very rough and a crude figure. Uh, and PB takes about less than 6 months or 6 months about. Maybe it will be less than 3 to 4 months also, depending on what type. Because in PB also, automation is very important. Some of the PB industries which I have found, I have seen, they are adopting a very crude method. They don't even have a full-fledged drawing office or detailing office. But some of the companies like Kirby or so to say Tiger Steel and other companies, they are very advanced. So naturally, what is this? This PB is that you have to uh, connect whether all the components, go to the site and assemble. Basically, it's a assembly job. So your component should be ready at a very fast pace. What are the advancement in PEB? It's very digital design compatible with building automation, building information modeling, connected with CNC fabrication, that is computer numerically controlled fabrication, which gives rise to a prefabricated system as a whole. 3D visualization, if you want to have further accuracy in this, With the help of 3D visualization, you can have a very, very accurate designing, tooling, uh, you can say everything in totality. Then class dissection, improved coordination, then zero rework. If you have a good quality of steel with a good control system, your rework would come to a level of zero. What are the advanced software? The advanced software are Tekla, Start, ETABS, which really gives such an accurate detailing, which Mr. Rishabh would appreciate my point. Plus the automated drawings. These are so fast, so accurate that if you do it humanly, you'll find there is no comparison. Because in my engineering days, I used to do drawing and all. So now I remember in 82 and things like that. And nowadays, automated drawing, such a clean, such accurate. The accuracy are not even in millimeter, it is in micron. CNC automation, it is so automatic that you have to synchronize the BIM with CNC, and the result, you will get wonder. The type of technology advancement in case of steel, as well as uh, high precise cutting, where the welding uh, it used to be manual, say about 20, 30 years back. Now it has become a robotic welding, where you can decide the angle, at what angle you have to do welding. The cleanliness, it, it is so smooth, so fine if you see the robotic welding. And so to say, there is very less chance of porosity, things like that in case of welding, which is very much prevalent in case of manual welding. These are the things, the CNC and automation, it really increase the production cycle. It becomes very fast if you compare with a manual or a semi-automatic. Prefabrication. Now, the prefabrication is the key word for PB industries. Uh, in fact, if you see, it is just like an assembly line of a car industries or a commercial vehicle industries, where they claim that the car comes out in 5 minutes. How? Basically, it is the assembly. So the same concept applies in case of PB also. You make all fabrication work, all everything on the site, bring it to the site where you would like to make a building or whatever prefabrication structure, warehousing, go down. It depends on what type of technique or technology you are going to use it. If you use very high technology, the time period in erection reduces considerably. Well, now steel has our country has developed so much in case of steel that I would like to share that in 1985 we got first Maruti car Japan made 100% import content car. Now the situation is like that we are even exporting cars to Japan, Germany, Europe, which is the mecca for car industries. Car industry means steel. 60% of the components are made out of steel in case of car. So you can well imagine the kind of advancement we have done in case of steel industry. If the advancement is in steel, obviously it will percolate down below to the PB company. Just in time delivery. Steel is available in plenty. The technology is available. We have the skilled manpower. So the inventory can be of 15 days. 10 days, depending on the job which you are carrying it out. And if you are having a control over inventory, obviously your cash flow would improve in a way that if you are keeping inventory for 60 days, that means your capital get blocked for 60 days. So the inventory carrying cost, the interest burden, which you have to give it to the bank, that also improved in this case for the PEB. So optimum fund, optimum capital, maximum result. And as all of you know, the quality control can be achievable with Internet of Things with the real-time monitoring. Real-time monitoring means with the help of AI or the sensors, you will come to know whether it is misaligned, aligned, and things like that. That thing is rare because the way you do the drawing, designing, that it is a foolproof system. So there are very less chance of any defect and things like that or misalignment. Another part is non-destructive testing has become online. Even if you are erecting a structure, you can use non-destructive testing and it will be on your screen. The operator, the manpower can see what they are doing it. Another important part in steel is that it is a recyclable material. Even after 100 years, if you would like to demolish the structure, you will get steel scrap, which is a recyclable material. And uh, it's a very energy efficient process. There is very less chances of pollution and things like that. What are the quantifiable benefit of advancement? Project time, it reduces by 30 to 50%. Material waste, it's only 10 to 15%. Labor dependency, it is reduced by 20 to 30%. Quality defects, it's nearly zero. Challenge, what are the challenges? It's a high capex, highly capital intensive. You have to have fund available in time because here time is the essence. So capex cost increases because there should be a regular flow of fund. Then you need a skilled workforce. It is not like your civil construction where even unskilled labor can do some work. Here, it has to be a very skilled person who knows the subject there, the job which they are carrying out. It is also a logistic complexity because intricate shapes of fabricated thing has to be transported from one place to another place. The future trend is obviously AI driven fabrication. If you employ more and more AI, the quality of job would be more. You will have more smart factories. 3D printing is also the trend for this. And in conclusion, I would like to say it is a mixed, a technology driven with the right quality of steel for a faster PB execution. Integration is key. Future is digital and sustainable. Thanks a lot.